arrived to Tatcha event and I'm going through all the stations. This is the first station, and the funny thing that I actually have it in my bag right now, but I'm still gonna get another one because I love it so much. I'm gonna explain us a little bit about this baby right here, which I love and I use it all the time. It's always in my bag, by the way.
So this is our newest treasure from Japan. So for those of you who have dry, cracked lips, or need a bit of TLC in the morning,
Like a little bit so easy.
This mask in the evening before going to bed to really nourish, soften, and give you those kissable, pillowy, soft lips.
It is so good. Here, I'm gonna show you. It's literally in my bag. I'm not lying. One I had in my bag. These are the new rice polish that came out. This is the one that came first that we all know, and these are the new addition to this family. Me here, hi Navi, is gonna explain us a little bit about each one, the new addition, because I know we all know this one right here, which came out first. What is this one for?
This one is called Deep. This is for a more like the oily skin, and
Is that licorice, this one?
yeah,
Okay, well,
and it's for the gentle. As it says, gentle. It's for the real sensitive skin.
sensitive skin.
Yeah.
And then we're going for the blue one.
Yes, blue one has an indigo.
How pretty are these?
Yes, how beautiful.
So who is that you would recommend for?
Yeah, and this one is for anybody who has inflammation, a little bit of irritation. Indigo has a property of
like
calming the
calming.
skin down.
Calming the skin down.
This one's for that.
And this is for everyone?
This is for everyone.
Combination
Yes,
has pearl,
ingredients. This has a wild rose.
wild rose,
And this has a licorice.
licorice,
This has an indigo.
indigo.
Yes.
And here are all these four. By the way, they're all available already. In the Kyoto cleanse, we're using the oil cleansing first.
Yeah, camellia cleansing oil. You're gonna use this on a dry face with dry hands.
I love this cleansing oil,
It's
yeah.
gonna take off all your makeup, all the dirt, dirty.
And I have some foundation on the back of my hand, so it's gonna take it all off.
Perfect.
Wash it all
Which color
off.
are you currently using?
Well, I used this one before, which is combination, but I would like to try the one for dry skin. I'm gonna do the dry skin, so that's the one. She's gonna activate it in her hand, and it's this lavender color for dry skin.
Some water.
Do some water. That's how you do it, and then you apply it on her face.